Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove the screen protector or case. Let me explain why. Basically, if your case is going over the bezels, which is the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, then it can interfere without touch because it will touch on the screen all the time. As you guys can see, imagine this is your case. I'm not able to click anything. And of course, those buttons will work, but these buttons right here won't. That's why we want to make sure that our touch is not interfered with the case. And now for the screen protector, if you use your screen protector and it's not applied perfectly on the screen, but it's going off to the edges or the side of the phone, no matter which direction or where, it can also cause the touchscreen to become less responsive. That's why we want to make sure that it's perfectly placed and it's placed correctly. And if it's not placed perfectly for you, then I would recommend just taking it off and getting a new one. Now, what are we going to do next is we're going to clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. That's why I got the cloth right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab it and give it a few swipes. And now the screen is clean. And after cleaning our screen, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and restart the phone to refresh the system. So let's press the power button and the volume up button. Now we're going to tap on restart and it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what are we going to do is, as a last resort, we're going to update our software. So let's enter the PIN if we have one after the restart. Now, let's wait for the phone to turn back on and let's open up settings. Here in the settings, we need to scroll down until we see system. Now we're going to click on system updates. And as you guys can see, I do have a new update available. So all we have to do is click on download and install right here at the bottom. And it will start downloading and installing on its own. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.